So friends, for your kind attention, we will take a disclaimer. I am not an authorized advisor or broker or research analyst. This discussion is only for the information purpose. I am not suggesting or influencing anyone for any kind of the investment or trade. I am not responsible for any unsuccessful event or moment. Be aware of the market risk before any decision. Thank you. Hello friends, we analyze Telsa Incorporation for the probable price levels for the period of November-December 2024. In their key statistics, PE ratio is 85.25 and PB is 14.27. In my opinion, this is the expensive stock, expensive performer. So we must be very careful while taking any kind of the trade decision. They have the high profitability ratio and they have the high solvency positions too. In the price level, first we will see the resistance and support levels. Breakpoint is 247. Resistance level is R1 is resistance 1 is 288 to 313. R2 is 327 to 336. R3 is 377 to 402. In between R2 and R3, the midpoint level comes around 352. In the support levels, support 1 is 224 and support 2 is 158, support 3 is 135. What's happened? The first week of November, they crossed the breakpoint of 247 upside and gone up to 358. See, I cannot say this is a strong bull trend. It may be a corrective trend. Suppose if they taken after touching the 358, they are taking the correction. Suppose if they fail to take the support at R1 range is 288 to 313. Now they are at taking support at 313. If it is sustained and continued, then we can say it might be a pullback and expected to touch the R3 level of 377 to 402. When we see the path, if they are taking the support at either in this zone any value between 288 to 313, so the top value is 313 and the bottom value is 288. So suppose if they are taking support at any level either 313 or 228, what we have to do is, suppose if they are taking the support at 288, we have to wait until the bottom price of the R2, that is 327. If it is not broken up and turned downside, then we shall expect that it could reach the breakpoint level of 247. Then subsequently it may take a support at 247 and move up to 288. If could not break 288 or 313 or the midpoint level, then we turn towards downside, then we shall expect S1 of 224. Then if could not break the breakpoint of 247, then we shall expect S2 level of 158. In case, suppose if it is taking the support at any of this level, we can say that it's taking the support at the midpoint level of R1 range. Then it might touch the R2 bottom line of the R2, bottom price of the R2 and take the side position, or otherwise midpoint of the R2 and take the correction in between these two in the midpoint level and cross up to we shall expect up to, if it is true, then we shall expect up to the R3 zone, that is 377 to 402. Let's see what's going to happen. This is the option. The option means that it is the opportunity, either if it is the bullish trend and taking the correction at R1 zone, then we shall expect R3, it might touch to the level of R3 377 to 402. Suppose if could not taking support at R2 level, R1 level, then we shall expect that it could touch the fall up to the level of breakpoint to a breakpoint of 247. If the breakpoint of 247 is also broken down, continue to fall, then we can take a support at it might touch the support level of S1 224, S2 158, and S3 135. This is the opportunity to move further. I think this information will help you. In such a case, please like and subscribe. If you think that this information will help to your friends, please kindly share. Thanks for watching.